So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke. Your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. Well, I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the other way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Pang-crush ng ano boy, paminta.
Thank you. To my dearest Pangsi. Eto na! Finally! Alam mo, ito naman yung iniintay mo talaga, Ems. Finally, my love in few hours, this is it, pansit na. Hope you're happy with my gift. Ayan naman talaga yung gusto mo. Parang ako. Hot dog. Let's play this game called Life Together Forever. Mars Ganda.
I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Nevertheless, despite of your imperfection, do not forget ang isang bagay na mayroong grasya at pagpapala ang Diyos. Para ano? Para maging maayos ang inyong relationship. Hindi man perfect, but you can have a right relationship. Rooted saan? Sa pagmamahal at grasya ng Diyos.
We were young, so in love.
Actually, nagkakilala kami sa simbahan. So, parehas kami member ng isang org.
Nagkakilala kami sa simbahan. Tapos, ayun, may crush siya sa akin. May crush na rin ako sa kanya.
Biglang natukso lang. Nagpatukso naman. Ayun, inasar-asar lang kami. Then ngayon, andito na. Nandiyan na yung mga nang asar. Kasama din namin today.
Are my only one,
Tangsi, you have no idea how grateful I am for your life and for our relationship. You are, without a doubt, my lobster. I still remember 11 years ago, we were just two people trying to hide our feelings.
are my only one. We've been up, we've been down.
Hello, Be. Una sa lahat, thank you. Thank you sa pagmamahal sa akin. At syempre, thank you sa pagpapatawad lagi sa akin pag nag-aaway tayo. Wala akong salita, puro ko action. Kasi ginagawa ko na lang talaga lahat para lang maging okay lahat ng kailangan natin gawin sa relasyon natin. Mahal na mahal kita. Tanda mo yan.
Ikaw lagi yung pipiliin ko at hindi kita iiwan.
Am I only one?
Who would have thought that the introverted guy who was once just my happy crush would now be my forever? Could I be any luckier? 10 years of love filled with laughters, tears, and so no one told us life was gonna be this way kind of moments. But through all the ups and downs, I'm just so thankful that we're always on each other's side.
Am I only one? For all of time, I'll be with you by your side. Highest heights through the longest winter nights. Time may be cruel, but my heart won't get over you. So as we grow old, I hope you know. Am I only one? You have all my heart. Through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade. 'Cause you are my only one.
Hello, be! Solid tong regalo ko. Alam ko magugustuhan mo kasi sabi mo, eto gusto mo. Nasa siyang yarn, Osmo Pocket. Kasi mahilig ka mag-capture ng moments. Ral. PS, sulat ka mahirap magpa-print.
So do you remember with your white dress on?
Thank you for loving me. Thank you for saving me. It is and will always be a privilege to be loved by you. And just like the very first episode, I'll be there for you. I love you, Bebe.
I never knew